In this video I am going to dive into the factory pattern, one of the most popular design patterns in software development. It's a creational pattern known for simplifying code and making it more maintainable. Think of it as a bridge connecting different parts of your code. The factory pattern allows us to create objects in a way that separates the code, requesting the object from the code that actually creates it, keeping everything clean and modular. The simplest form of this pattern is called the factory method. Picture it as a static function in a class that returns an object. When changes are needed, you only have to modify the code in one spot, making maintenance everything. Now, if you are looking for more flexibility, the advanced version is where it's at. This version takes an argument like an enum type that decides what type of object should be returned, giving you more control over the object creation process. Ready to level up? Enter the abstract factory pattern. This introduced an interface that sets up a contract defining the methods any inheriting class must implement. It's like laying down the roots for creating specific types of objects. This pattern allows you to create families of related objects that work together without needing to dive into their specific implementation. Why use the factory pattern? Here are some standout benefits. Code simplification. It centralizes object creation, making your code more straightforward and easier to navigate. Improved readability keeps complex initialization logic out of multiple places in your code. Better code reusability. If you need different types of objects, you just tweak the factor instead of modifying every instance. If you like this type of content, consider subscribing. It is free and you can always change your mind.